Hello, guys. We're now done in the two processes as part of cognitive development theory. So now we're going to discuss yung the four stages that they all do in the same order. So here is the summary of four stages of cognitive development. So ito siya. So let me write or highlight ko lang siya. So ito yung four stages of cognitive development. So as you can see, yung first part natin is sensory motor. Ito yung age 0 to 2 years old. So sa stage na to, the child learns by doing looking, touching, sucking. Ito yung mga baby, 'di ba? So the child also primitive understand the cause and effect of relationship. Object, prominence appear around 9 months. So, ito yung mga time na yung mga batang hiling mag-suck, mag-touch ng kahit ano, kahit mga poops nila, akala na na okay yon. So, they start to, crawling, touching, yung something na mahawakan nila. And the second one is the pre-operational. Ito naman yung ages 2 to 7 yung child gumagamit na siya ng language and symbol. So kapag ang bata nasa bahay, pansin nyo, kapag 2 years old na yung bata, they started to utter words kasi naririnig ng mga bata. So started from the letters, number, or usually mga kinakapi lang nila yung yung mga naririnig nila. So we have here the evidence of ecocentrism, which is conservation mark the end of pre-operational stage and the beginning of the concrete operation. So dito na yung mga bata nakakapag-identify na ng, oh, what is this? What is that? That's a dog. So ito yung part na kung saan yung bata nakakapag-identify na siya ng mga object. Minsan sa wall, kung anong nakita nila, they will point at it. So, Congress is 7 to 11. The child demonstrate conversation. So, may mga ordering na, meron ng reversibility, meron na ring serial, 'di ba? And then ordering, they're organizing na paunti-unti, and they have the mature understanding cause and effect of relationship. Okay, so pumapasok na dito yung right and wrong, na-identify na nila yung mga mali. Thinking at this stage is still congruent. Formal operation naman, ito yung 12 ages above. So the individual demonstrate abstract thinking. At this stage is still congruent. So may mga bagay na they can solve the problem by themselves at the age of 12 years old. Okay? So let's proceed to me and self and I and self. So, sabi ng isang philosopher and psychologist na si William James Dow, uh, the self is sum total. So, pag sinabi nating sum total, ito yung kabuuan ng kanyang kakayahan, hindi lang sa katawan niya, but his wife and children, and his ancestor and friends, and his reputation, works, his land, and horses or yachts or bank account, the entire who he is. So, let's talk about the I self. Pag sinabi nating I self, the pure ego, ibig sabihin, subjected ito for yourself, for self. So, it's a self that is aware of its own action. So, yung sarili mo, when you do something, you are aware of your own action. Pero sa me self naman, is the self referring to an object. So, it's a self that you can describe such as in physical characteristic, in personality, social rule, relationship, thoughts, or feeling. Hoy, si ano, ganito, mabait yan, mabuti yan.